In the previous video, we have understood what is clear functionality. In this video, let's try to understand what is count functionality about. So for that, I need a list of elements. I'll be considering the same list of elements. So consider the same list. Yes, here I want to find the count of the element 100. How many times the value 100 is present? So I'll say list1 dot count of 100. So we got the value to be 2. So if I want to find the count of the character L, so let's check that. So list1 dot count of the character L. Yes, count is 2. Similarly, if I want to find list1 dot count of hello world, so we want the value to be 1. Similarly, if I want to check list1 dot count of hello, so we don't have hello present, so the count should be 0. So if you want to check the element is present in the list or not, just make sure that count value should be greater than 0. If count value is greater than 0, we can assume that that respective element is present in the list. If the element is not present, count will be returning as the value 0. Similar to pop function, count is also returning some value, returning that the number of occurrences of that respective element present in the list. That is all about count functionality. In the next video, let's try to understand what is index functionality about.